Bro, I like it. I wish we were more advanced though so we could hit it cooler. Better.
Alright, I have to fucking go.
Call your dad, ask him. Or say you lost track of time because you were having such a...
Every time I said he gets mad.
Just call him.
It's almost there.
Oh shit. You could go up it. Like all the way up it, no way. So what?
I have to go anyway.
Call your dad. Please, bro. I want to stay here.
I just want to get all this shit off.
If it's chlorine, then our pants would be bleached. Oh no, my scooter's getting wet.
Oh no. Well, it's not going to stay wet.
Trying to do something cool up there. Oh!
Alright. Yes, sir.
No?
No.
Ask him for 15 minutes.
I'm not asking him again. I'm not going to ask him again. He said no.
What time is it? So let's leave in 4 minutes. Hit it, bro. Use my board. This is like a once. It's like a once in a life. Just hit it once. It's a once in a lifetime thing. Isn't it kind of cool? Be honest. Smells like what's it called? Porta pot. If it is, I don't really care. Shit, you want to bring it?
If you're going to come with me,
give me 4 or 5 minutes.
I'm going to get in trouble.
I just want to get this pop shove it off of her.
I'm going to get in trouble.
Just tell him where we were. You can hit it a few more times. Does taste like chlorine. It is chlorine. Like chlorinated water or some shit.
Probably from the fucking, what's it called?
That shit, right? Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It might be.
Mm-hmm. There you go. I'm trying to do like a 180 out of it. Yeah, this is from the water park. It's overflow. Because they would probably be flooded and there's so much water going through, it's probably like exploded the valves. Bro, hit it. It's so fun. You want to hit it once at least?
I did.
Like on my board. Here.
Dude, that's not shit though.
Hit it over here. You want to try to go up it?
Oh, look.
Ants eating you too?
Yeah, it's fucking bunch of them, bro.
Go hit it, bro. It's so fire.
Hold on, let me get all these fucking ants off me.
Because the thing is, you're like, oh,
Shut the fuck up.
this is never gonna happen again, though.
Fucking shit, take this.
You're not going? Are you hitting it or no?
No.
Alright, give me 1 second.
Fucking ants, bro.
Yeah, I got them too. Alright, I'm gonna hit it like 3 more times. Count.
Oh my fucking god.
One. Alright, just one last time. Once more down.